Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will continue to part 48 and 3 to configuration the hardware between PLC GE to PLC S7-300 and to PLC S7-200 also by using the Profibus Master of PLC GE linked with the Profibus Slave of PLC S7-300 and also linked with the Profibus Slave EM AM02 of PLC S7-200. Okay. So in the previous video we already linked between the data between PLC GE and PLC S7-300, right? So in this section I will add more type for S7-200. Okay. So let's go to see the how to configure, yes, and test with the actual, yes. So let's go. So first let's open existing project that we already learned in the previous video. So first let's configure the Proficy Machine Edition hardware configuration. Yes, and we will use the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. So let's open the existing project. And let's go to Profibus Master. Yeah, we will add more. Yeah. So the Profibus Master is PNS3. So let's go. So to add the PLC S7-200 Profibus Slave here, yes. First we need to have the GSD file for EM AM02 Profibus Slave. Yes. So right now I already put the GSD file here. Yes, here. If we don't have the GSD file, we cannot add the slave for Profibus, right? So to add this module, let's right click here, Profibus Master, and then add slave. And if we don't have the Profibus Slave of PLC S7-200, let's create or click the have this, right? And then go to desktop to find the GSD file that we already keep on desktop here. Yes. So we will got the EM AM02 Profibus-DP Slave. Yeah. And then click OK. And here is the address that we will put. For this address, I already put number 5. So this address, I will put number 6. Yes. And we need to select this one. Yeah. To number 6 also. Yeah. We have H10 and H1. So first select H1 to number 6. Yeah. To match with our configuration. Yes. And for module, yes, we need to add right here. So let's click add. So first for test this module, I will add for 8 byte. out and 8 byte in. It means that 8 byte output and 8 byte input. Yes. And for parameter, we need to use the V memory, right? So I will start from V1, sorry, V0. Yes, here. So 8 byte out and 8 byte in, right? Okay, and start from V0. So let's click OK and then go to see here is the data that we already added. And the address will start from 6, yes, because the existing for S7-300 we already add number 5, yes. So to test this module, I just add only 8 byte out and 8 byte in. So let's save the project. Yes. And for the address of PLC GE, we'll start from %I 225, sorry, and %Q 113, right? Okay. And then go to download. And in this step, we need to stop the CPU, right? Because we download the hardware configuration. So let's download and write to flash also. Because here is S7-200, so we use V memory. Okay, and then I will start the CPU back. So we need to see the data on PLC S7-200, right? So let's go to PLC S7-200 to test. Yeah. So first let's open PLC S7-200 schematic step 7 microvin. Yes. And we will got the data from PLC S7, sorry, PLC GE, right? So we will start from V0. Example, I will turn on Q 0.0. Yes. And this one we can command got data from PLC GE bit 0. And then we can download to the PLC S7-200. Okay. And then we can start the CPU. Okay. And then we can online. So if I push the button, yes, from here, or we can forward the signal from here. So it will start from Q113, right? So let's go to our table. So %Q 113. And if I force the signal from here, let me put like this, easy to see the status. Because we need to see the status when we force the signal, right? Okay, like this. And one more VMware player, I will put like this. to see the data. Okay, I will adjust a little bit. So wait a moment for adjust. Otherwise we cannot see the status, right? So before for the signal, let me show the status. Yeah, I will explain a little bit about the status. So let's see, the address is select to 6, and if the data is okay, it will show the LED like this. Yeah. And for PLC S7-300 and PLC GE, yeah, Profibus Master and Profibus Slave is condition is okay. Okay. So if we for the signal, let me force the signal here. Yes. Let's see, the output of PLC S7-200 is turned on. Yes. Because we already config. Yes. So V 0.0 is turned on, and then the output is turned on also. Okay. And then we can add more for test. So we can test to another bit, right? So let me outline first and then insert the column. Example here we can put SM 0.0, and here should be the next bit, right? So V 0.1, and this one should be Q 0.1, right? Okay. If we would like to on, we can on. Yes. V 0.2, V 0, sorry, Q 0.2. Yes. Next we can copy and paste. We can test only one bit. So the bit next is the same. Yeah, 3 bit is enough. So we can download. Yes, we can turn on, and we can online. Okay. So if I force the bit 2, yeah, the bit number 2, let's see, number 2 is turned on, number 3 is turned on, and number 4 is turned on. Okay. And on the PLC is turned on also. So if we would like to feedback the signal, yeah, normally we should have the feedback the signal from PLC Siemens also, right? So the feedback should be like this. Let me test. So for this one, it will start from %I 255, sorry, 225, right? So %I 225, Yes, and we can test. If we insert the row, I will insert the row. For V 1.0, right? Let's test. Then run the CPU and then we can online. Let me offline a little bit. Then we can continue to see the signal. So let calculation the 8 byte. Yes, 1 byte is 8 bits, right? So 8 byte 1 byte, right? Equal 8 bit. So we set 8 byte, right? So 8 byte equal, yes, 64 bits, right? So this one should be V. We can test V 64 or V 65.0. Yes, and then we can test again because we need the feedback from here, right? Okay, let's see. V 65.0 is not feedback, right? So we can calculation, yeah. So first 0.0, right? It start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? Because 8 byte in and 8 byte out. So this one should be 0.0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, right? Yeah, it is 8 bits, so 1 byte. So another byte is start from 1.0, right? 1.0, 1.1. I will adjust to be 2 decimal place. Yes, like this. Sorry, adjust to 1. Okay, like this. So until 1.2 until 1.7, right? And this one should be 8.0 8.1 until 7.0 7.1 7.2 until 7.7, right? And the format should be the same. Yes, like this. It is the V, yeah, V memory, right? V memory. And it is the input, yes, the input. So the output will start from V, yeah, V memory also, but it will start from 8.0, right? 8.0 until 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4, 8.5, 8.6, 8.7, right? So if we would like to show the feedback, it will start from 8.0. Yeah, so I will change this one to 8.0. V 8.0, right? Okay. So I will download again. After that, we can start and then online. Yeah. Let's see the feedback is show 1. It means that turn on. So if we would like to force this off, let's see, the feedback is off also. Yeah. So we can use 8 bytes in and 8 bytes out, right? So this one should be a 9, 10, right? 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, right? So it should be a 9.0 until 9.7. This one 10.0 until 10.7. This one also 11.0 until 11.7. And the same as 15.0 until 15.7, right? So many bits that we can use. So this one should be the same as the format, number and 1 digit, okay, like this. So if we would like to show the feedback, yes, number 2, so we can add row, yeah, insert the new row. So 8.1, right? Insert more row. (8.2) and one more for 8.3, right? Okay. and then we can download. So we can link to another slave that we want. Yes. Okay. So if I force this one on again, yeah, it will turn on, off. Yeah, it will turn off. Let's see, here is turn off. And for bit number 2, we can force off. Let's see, turn off, right? Turn off also. And this one is turned off also. Okay. So the communication between PLC S7-200 and PLC GE is okay. Yes. So we can map to control. Yes. With PLC S7-300 also by using this Profibus. Okay. So if we would like to control from the HMI, yeah, we can do also. Let's go to Workbench. Example, we can go to the existing project. Yes, I will start the project first. And we will create the logic control from the PLC GE, right? To start the output on PLC S7-200. Okay. Then we will go to create the logic. So let's offline first. Okay, I will go to the full screen first for easy to create. After that, we can go to compact screen. Let's go to main program. Yes, we can choose command. So send data to PLC S7-200, right? And then we can also create the start. So NC start S7-200. Stop S7-200. And here command send to S7-200 bit 1, right? Okay, bit 1. And then for the feedback, right, we can use this one, the feedback. Feedback is start from I %I225, right? Okay, then we can write example feedback S7-200 bit 1, right? Okay, this one we can choose %M. %M also, and this one should be a %Q, right? So %Q 113, yeah, %Q 113. So we can insert %Q 113, yes, related with this one, right? 113. And for the feedback is %I 255, right? So this one should be %I %I 225, right? Then we can download. Yes, and we can create the text here. Example, sorry, we should create the boolean, right? Example, start S7-200 bit 1. So for the bit 1 is %MH, right? Okay, %MH. And for stop is %M7, right? So this one should be stop. And %M7. And for the status send from the PLC S7-200 is %I 225, right? So %I 255 should be feedback S7-200 bit 1. So %I 225, right? Okay. And then we can create a screen, yeah, we can edit and then save as one more model. Example screen 2, and then we can edit, yes. So this one there is no temperature, right? So I will delete motor 2, and for the status I will use the bit that we already created, right? So feedback from S7-200 bit 1, yes. If it's true, it will green. And for this one, we just change only the text. So it is the stop button, right? So stop, and then we can copy and then create here. Just copy and paste. And for this one should be start, right? Okay, start. Where is the start? Yeah, here. And we can copy and paste and save the screen. So we can test the screen, yes. So to test the screen, I will come back to the compact screen, yes. for easy to see. Yes. So if I push start, let's see here is turned on and feedback is turned on also. Yes. And when I push stop, the PLC S7 is stopped also. Yes. Start again, it will run again. And I will show the status when we push start and stop from PLC GE. So let's see the status. When I push start, yes, the output is turned on. When I push stop, turn off, turn on, yes. So we can control from the PLC GE to PLC S7-200. Okay. So thank you very much for watching my video. And if everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to say I'm sorry if I have mistake in this video. Yeah. And I would like to request all of you to like, share and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. And I will drop the project file under my video, include the GSD file also. Yeah. So in this time I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.